everybody's talking about AI, everybody's talking about ChatGPT, that sort of thing. So I think it's a fantastic tool, of course. It's sort of, to me, I kind of look at it kind of like a 3D printer. So you can kind of get it to build something for you that otherwise would have taken you a little while to make. So like code, for example. But the trick is that you still need that human domain knowledge to be able to verify it. So, because as an example, so I was talking to Boo about this, so I do a little bit of music on the side, and I asked ChatGPT just to kind of, test it out a little bit, see what it looks like as it goes, to summarize the lyric themes of one of my albums. And then it did it in a big paragraph, and I was like, that's pretty good. But the interesting bit was, it referenced lines that weren't there. It made up lyrics that fit kind of the texture and the topic and the kind of the color, and so it was believable. So that's where it gets kind of into the funny area. You need to be able to tell which is good code, what code is, okay, this function doesn't exist, and so you need while it'll build all that stuff for you, you still need that domain knowledge to use it. So I think that's pretty interesting right now.